Krone round balers, round pack and vario pack, utilizes the 25 years of technology leadership and experience in the round baler business. Krone, the only name you need to know for round balers. Modular Design, crop cutting system multi-cut with 17 knives. Tandem axle are the distinctive design characteristics. Characteristics of all Krone round balers have been proven many thousand times over. The endless rotating chain and slat elevators give the benefits of firm, tight-packed and well-shaped bales, highest bale density in silage, hay or straw. The galvanized pickup with the crop press roller of a true 1.95 meter intake width can handle any swathe. The pneumatic ground contouring wheels guide the pickup over a constant working depth. 5 tine rows with dense tine spacing clearly lift the crop, even short and light crops. The side augers push the material to the sides, guaranteeing firm bale edges. The feeding rake between the pickup and baling chamber improves the material intake and increases productivity. The Krone crop cutting system multi-cut continuously pulls the harvested crop through the knife bank and transports the material into the baling chamber. With the multi-cut cutting system, the bale density can be increased by 15%. A maximum of 17 knives can be used. This results in a theoretical length of cut of 64 millimeters. The central positioning of the length of cut is a typical Krone solution: fast, simple, user-friendly. The central knife selection allows 0, 7, 15 or 17 knives to be selected. Hydraulic knife disengagement and fully automatic protection against foreign objects make daily work easier and safer. Using the central locking release, the knives can easily be removed and installed for sharpening. The ribbed starter roller ensures a rapid baling start and optimizes the baling process. In case the rotor blocks, the Krone manual reverser will help. For more comfort, a full power hydraulic reverser is offered, which is activated from the tractor seat. Krone round balers work according to customer desires, with net wrap as well as with double twine tying. Pre-selectable twine spacing and cleanly cut twine ends ensure high bale stability under all conditions. When inserting the roll of net, you stand comfortably with both feet on the ground. With the net wrap system, the wrapping time is reduced considerably compared to the double twine tying. Using the net wrap system, the Krone round edge net can be used at any time. Round edge covers up the bale edges completely and therefore prevents air entry points after the subsequent sheet film wrapping. The twine box can hold enough twine and net for a long working day. A number of different control boxes are offered to operate the Krone round baler. Basis starts the double twine tying by just pressing one button. Medium, electro-hydraulic operation with extended functions. Comfort, electro-hydraulic comfort operations for maximum ease of use. An auto-lube system reduces daily maintenance to a minimum, which increases your productivity and decreases wear. With an adjustable eccentric pump, the chain lubrication is fully adjustable to fit your requirements. Krone was the first manufacturer worldwide to offer the portal tandem axle for round balers. The benefits: smooth and rapid transportation, smoother and better ground adaptation, lower ground pressure over 4 wheels, wide-angle shafts mean smooth operation and can be fitted to every tractor. The Krone fixed chamber, round pack 1250 with a 1.25 meter bale diameter, and round pack 1550 with a 1.55 meter bale diameter are known worldwide, whether it is baling silage, straw or hay. These round balers work with a totally closed baling chamber and with the outstanding endless rotating chain and slat elevator technology invented and developed by Krone. An end to stop-start baling. Bale always turns. Means optimal possible power requirement. This means optimal operating costs. Straightforward, heavy-duty, well-designed construction appeals to all customers. Having only a few drive chains leads to low maintenance and high longevity. Of course, the chain and slat elevator are tensioned automatically. The round pack also works successfully with the Krone mini-stop. As the tailgate closes, work continues. This means more bales, more productivity. The Krone round balers, VarioPack 1500 and VarioPack 1800, are the ideal balers for universal usage and bale size. Small or large, silage, hay or straw. No problem with Krone baler technology. The VarioPack 1500 baler, with a diameter of 1 to 1.5 meters. The VarioPack 1800 baler, with a diameter of 1 to 1.8 meters. The rotating chain and slat elevator technology. VarioPack has 2 elevators. This guarantees the highest bale density. The pressure can be regulated to determine the bale density depending on the harvested crops. These round balers work reliably even for short and dry harvested crops. The Bale Ejector is controlled by the tailgate and guarantees a safe bale discharge. Every Krone round baler wins you over in practice, with the highest productivity and flexible use, with interruption-free work. It's an absolute winner. Krone, hay and forage technology.